Hello and welcome, Andy here. I'm going to be showing you a new piece of software. I haven't installed it yet. I have done some watching of videos and things like that. This is an application called Seelen, S-E-E-L-E-N, and it's a desktop customization program, mainly for Windows 11. But I noticed that you could install it on 10, as I have 10, and of course the customization process involves everything to do with your computer, your desktop. You can put, well, I'll tell you what, let's go and have a look at the actual website. So the website here is Seelen, Seelen UI, and the installer there, which you can have, and there are more versions should you wish, previous versions. So yes, now customizing your desktop, and you can just adjust menus, widgets, and you can put things on screen, backgrounds, enhance your productivity, so tiling windows, automatically arranging them, multitasking, making it more streamlined, which I can see that would be quite useful. To do with music, it's got its own compatibility with most music players. Well, we'll see about that, but see what happens with that. It's inspired by ROFI, Seelen UI provides a simple and intuitive way to quickly access your applications. User-friendly configuration, themes, taskbar layouts, icons, and of course they do have a Discord. So let's have a quick look at the FAQs. So it is a desktop app, currently allowing you to customize your Windows 10 or 11. It's free. You can download it and use it. It does not modify your operating system, so it's quite safe. It does not alter any core system files or registry. It strictly adheres to Windows APIs, so it's probably not going to crash. It cannot break your operating system. Can a Windows update break it? Well, it's not likely. In fact, if you've got Windows 10, then you won't be getting any unless you're paying for it. They've been sending around emails. It does not require an internet connection. You can download widgets, plugins, and themes. Common or grey or dark screen issues. There's some common user issues. System tray not working, anti-cheat triggered. Yeah. So that is it from there. I've already downloaded software, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually install the software. So let's get rid of this web page. We will double click on, what I'll do is I'll right click and run as administrator and say yes. So we start the process of installing. So welcome to the setup. We're going to put this in. I agree. Yeah. I'm going to put it on my D drive because I don't want C drive. So D drive, it requires 108 megabytes. Next, and we'll leave that. But this is all the menu folder for Seelen. And now it's installing. So, I mean, as you can see, my desktop is very, very boring. I've had these backgrounds for, well, since it was installed. See what happens and finish. So, I'm presuming it's going to load now. I don't have to do anything, I don't think. Or do I? Is that it? Is it in the system tray? Well, it's not in the system tray. So, does that... Oh, I didn't say not make... Is it in my list? It's not in my list. Okay, let's have a look on the menu then. SEE. Oops. Seelen. No, we've already installed it. Seelen, is it? There we go. Here we go. Are we now here? Yes. Well, it's changed the backgrounds anyway. That's the main thing. It's given me a nice little menu bar. It's buggered up my icons because they've moved over here. So I had it all neat and tidy. Clearly, what you end up with then is a small menu bar down here, and then the top bar, which we've got internet, we are plugged in, notifications, yeah, we don't need that, multimedia is full volume, so we've got this is my desktop. Yeah, so obviously that's just loaded Internet Explorer on my other screen. In fact, the Explorer thing that we've got, the menu bar, it appears on all three windows. So that could be fun. Bear in mind that I can always remove this if I don't like it. This is the icons, I don't know. That's your menu bar thing. Obviously, it still appears back in the same position it was because this is Windows 10, not Windows 11. Nothing playing. So let's do a right click. Nothing there. It's not. Right click on the bar, yeah, modules, settings, let's have a look at the settings then. Right, here we go, this is what we need. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Right, so general, it's going to run on startup, language English, accent colour, plug-in or charging. If it's on battery, it won't be on battery because it's a PC. So don't need that. Energy saving, we don't need that. Fancy toolbar. That's the one down the bottom, I think, is it? That's the, that's like the height position. Enable fancy toolbar. I presume you've got to save it before it works. Resources, let's have a look at that. So themes we have. That's the default theme at the moment. So we have the animated start icon. Yeah. Do that. We'll go through that because there's some more down here. Application launcher. Enable app launcher. Wallpaper Manager, wallpapers. Alright, so you've got to download them if you want them. Dock, taskbar, so full screen width, right? Okay, and also you can put it on the side, so going up the side of the screen, or left or right, or top or bottom. So if you want to move that bar, all the other options there. Windows Manager, layout, there's nothing really there. Windows border, can't turn that off. Monitors, I've got 3. It's alright, those are my 2 outside ones, and I think that's this one's my main, so you can actually turn off, we turn off the, where's that, enable on this monitor, no. Is that gone? No, it's not gone. Let's turn it off on this one. Oh, it hasn't. No, it hasn't gone off. You can't see the other screens, but presume it will only work when you've got save. So let's save that and see what happens. Okay. So yes, it has removed. Let me just show you. So you can see the. I'll just highlight the left-hand screen. So the left-hand screen, the top bar's gone. It does have a full width menu which we can turn off. So let's turn that off. Which one is that? That's going to be the. Is that the taskbar? Yes. Do that. Turn that off. And the taskbar on the right-hand side. Turn that one off there, and then save. Yep, that has definitely removed the lower toolbar thing, menu, and removed the top bar as well, so it's gone back to what it was before. Now, so yes, so you can actually get this to customize it. Wallpaper Manager, it's not going to change anything there. Settings by application, so you can have your various I don't know, shortcuts. Various shortcuts. Some of these could be quite useful. Obviously, they might contradict to what you've already got. Extras. What's the extras we've got here? Which is update show. Okay. That's if you want to go for the beta version. So we're on 2.4.11 at the moment. Let's get the Wallpaper Manager. Random slideshow. What's that? Every minute it's going to change the wallpaper. I don't know if that's true or not. We'll see what happens. Give it a minute. So the full width toolbar, I seem to have lost some of my icons because I had lots here. I can only see the ones that are running. So these applications are the ones that are running on my computer at the moment. So where are the other icons? are they here? Now that's the system tray, which obviously was at the bottom, is now at the top. Where's my icon then? Because they're all on the desktop, I know. Well, some of them are. Obviously some of them I've removed. So how do I get my... Because obviously these are applications that are open. In order to actually open the application, I have to have a way to do that. I would say that's gone a minute now. Is that because we haven't got any? Probably because we haven't got any. Have we got any local ones? I wouldn't know where to look, so I'm not going to bother. Let's go and have a look at this on this website. There we go. So we got some on the ad block. Yeah, it's because I've got Brave. It's requiring me to not have that, so no way. So pretty much stuff that I would probably not use any of those, because I'm not into cartoon. Maybe some of these might be useful. Some screenshots, how to use it, download, install, and then the app will sort it out. So, yeah, I don't know what screenshots you get. So you only get the one, by the look of it. Oh, it's a moving background as well, so it actually, yeah, it's not just a picture, it actually is. So is there only one then? Is that it? Have we got just the one? Seems like because I don't want any of the other ones. It looking like that I'm probably going to have to unload this, because it's not giving me much choice. Let's go back to the middle. Not too sure about this, because it seems like a waste of time, really. Not exactly what I thought it would be. Yeah, I suppose the application launcher would be quite useful if you had an application you wanted to run with a one mouse key, and obviously you can put it in whichever, like for example DJI Studio. That's very annoying, because that will go and it will load up wherever your mouse is located, and you might not want it over there. You might want it on your primary, so you could put it on primary. The app launcher, yeah, I don't know how you get the, oh, you've got to add it. No. Oh, you can add it, yeah. So how we get this? We want to run something. Is it going to let me do it? No, it's not going to let you show you a folder. So that's not very intuitive, is it, really, to be honest with you? You've got to, I don't know, just seems not very intuitive. So yes, while that was a good idea, I don't know. Just seems like, yeah, something for nothing. Windows Manager. Enable tiling windows. That's I suppose useful. I still don't know where my shortcuts are. These shortcuts here are actually for doing stuff, not for actually for my applications. Yeah. So apart from the fancy toolbar thing aspect, it's it's not very interesting, is it? Especially if I turn that off, save. I don't see why I should ever keep on saving it though. That's the annoying thing. Oh, and what it's done, I'll show you this because that's very interesting, because I've got the tile toolbar thing set. It's actually done it on my other screen. So bear in mind that this is OBS in the background there. You can see it's done 3 tiles because that was the 3 applications that were open: the browser, my file manager, and then OBS. And it sort of opened up like a window. The other screens are as they were. Of course, it hasn't moved all of my shortcuts on my desktop now. They are just anywhere. They were organised into, so I knew where they were, but now they're not. Where was that? I did that. Was that Windows Manager? Oh yeah, tiling the windows. That's right. Turn that off. And of course, it won't change what we've already done. It's also adjusted the size of OBS. Right. Yeah, I'm not impressed actually, to be honest. I find this a complete waste of time. It's not really giving me, I mean, apart from having a different background, which I doubt I'm going to get back now if I unload it. Wow. Interesting. General. Yeah. Not impressed. So I'm going to call that a day. I'm going to go and uninstall it because not very impressed. I'm sure that some people will be, but videos I saw of this were very impressive, and they made it sound very easy. But this, to me, it's not going to improve my sort of workflow. So I'm going to remove it. It's probably going to cause me a lot of hassle because I have to find my desktops again. But yeah, so that's what we think of that. If you enjoyed it, then have a little comment down below, like, share. I'll see you soon.